I lived in East Texas at first. Then I moved here with this guy, not knowing him that well. That was my fault. And we stayed together probably 6 months and didn't make it. I'm thinking because he's older, I'm older, we're mature, we can do this. We really know what we want. And we had to go our separate ways. And I had to move. And he was moving from the place we was living. And I said, oh my God, I'm here. I don't know nothing about this area. I gotta find me a place to live. It was like a last minute thing, because you know, you gotta search, you gotta look around, which I didn't know where to go. And then after that, once I found me a place, I had a car accident. Somebody totaled my car, hit my car, totaled my car, which I didn't know it was totaled 2 days later after I went to the dealership. Now, I gotta find somewhere to live. Now I need a car. You know, at first I had anxiety, panic attacks. I was just going, I felt so alone. Remember, I didn't have a lot of people here. So it's like, whoosh, everything was just piling up on me. And my body just wasn't able to take all that at the time. So I went to my doctor and told her about it, you know, because, you know, the first thing you do, you run to a doctor, a person. And they try to give you medicine to help you with your anxiety or things like that. And I saw where that really wasn't working for me. I was watching television, I was strolling through the channels, and then I actually changed the channel. And then I said, let me go back. And then I started listening to other people's testimony, and I was like, I can relate to this. I relate to the depression. I was relating to what what a lot of people was saying. So it let me know what's going on in this world. This is real. I said, well, I'm gonna call. Let me try it. And matter of fact, they called me right back that night. It was like 11, 12 o'clock. It was late. I was like, wow. And I was bawling, crying, and the man talked to me and calmed me down, and he prayed, and I felt better. When I found out what church it was at, I ran to the church that day. And I've been going ever since. He taught us about the chain of prayer, not to break the chain of prayer. So you come in and he teaches us how to fight. You know, you gotta fight. It's really awesome. I can't even explain it, but it's nothing I've never seen before. I mean, really. And I've been to a few churches, and this is nice. After being delivered, no more anxiety, no more depression, and no more panic attack. What I have is peace of mind. I have peace. And that's more than anything right now, more than anything. And I'm happy in Christ Jesus, I am. And I feel complete. Anybody that see this program is going through anxiety, panic attacks, or depression, I would recommend find the Universal Church. These guys will really sit down and talk to you and minister to you and teach you how to fight. And without God, we can't do nothing. Without God, you cannot do nothing. And it taught me how to take my dominion. It taught me how to handle things and how to pray. You got to know how to pray. And I really recommend Universal Church. I really do. And I'm so happy that I came. And I'm going to keep coming. I'm going to keep coming.